boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar and to a cool song from WRIGHT called Hurt No More. So we have this very simple picking pattern here, and you can combine that with some easy strumming pattern as well. A chord progression that goes round and round through the entire song. So great. Let's start this one up. Capo here on the 6th fret, okay? To get these high notes correct with the easiest grip and chords possible. So capo on 6, and the 4 chords will be A minor, G, F, and C in that order. So let's start with the A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord will be G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B this time, because we want that note to be open, and the 3rd E. We have F next. So with F you have a bar here on the 1st fret. You bar all strings there, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And the final chord will be C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so we'll look at the picking first, and we'll start with the A minor. Remember the chord progression: A minor, G, F, and C. So you're gonna start with A minor, sounds like this. Alright, so that is first open A, and then you play the 2nd G together with open B together, yeah, like this. And then you finish off with a clap. So then we go to the next chord, the G. Here, when you play the picking, it's enough to just hold a 3rd fret E string here in the bass. And with that, you're gonna play. Like this, so you're gonna pick the 3rd fret E string in the bass together with open G and open B. And then a clap. That's it. We move on here to the F, and here I choose to play the full chord, the full grip, even if you don't have to, but it's, yeah, convenient. So with that, you're gonna play like this. Okay, so you start with the 1st fret E string in the bass, and then you play the 3rd fret D string together with 2nd G, and a clap. And then you have the final chord, the C, like that, and a clap. So that is 3rd fret A string together with 1st fret B and open E, and a clap. Okay, that goes round and round, but every 2nd round you're gonna have this ending like 4 quick notes there. So the first round will be just plain, and then on the 2nd round, okay, and the 4 notes will be on the E string to begin with. So open E, 1st E, back to open E, and then you end with 1st B. And with that, I use the hammer on and pull off technique, which means I'm not picking with my right hand, with this hand, all the 4 notes. I'm using just one pick in the first open, and then I let my left hand do all the work. I hammer on, I pick the first one open, E string, and then I hammer on the 1st E with my left hand, and I pull off to get the open E again, and then I pick the 1st B string there, 1st fret B string with my right hand. So I picked the 1st and last notes. Alright, that's it. And that's what you're gonna play for the ending of the 2nd round of this medley. But you can also choose, like I said, to play a strumming pattern. And to go over to that now, we need to think pair of chords. So A minor and G will pair up together, and F and C. All right, so we'll look at the transition from A minor to G. So we have this strumming that is divided into two different parts. So the first part, which is played with A minor for this, in this case, will be down, down, up, clap. So down, down, up, clap. And then you change to G in this case and play down, down, up, clap, down, up. So down and then a short pause and then down, up, clap, down, up. Like this. Again. Down, down, up, clap, down, up. So together, A minor and G, it's a little bit slower, sounds like this. And then you play the same pattern and replace the chords with F and C instead. So F is playing the same way as A minor and C in the same way as the G. Sounds like this. That, my friends, covers Chase WRIGHT's Hurt No More. So thank you for watching, guys, and play tuned.